Negotiation Private Limited, and now I am in the post of as a production engineer. So basically, as you have seen that this is the photovoltaic training and research system. So this is the first setup. We have seen that in these three subsystems. The first is generating unit, second is control unit, and third is research unit. So firstly, I will explain the what instrument I have used and why I have used and what their specification. Then we after that how it is used. Then we go on the experiment. So firstly, I will explain what instrument I have used and why. So as you have seen that this is the halogen fixtures, two halogen fixtures, and there are 6 halogens are installed here. 6 halogen holders and 6 halogens are here. The rating on the halogen is 150 watt, and same also here. 6 halogen also installed here. Halogen fixture number 2. So their total halogen are 12. So if the rating of the one is 150, so total consumption of the power is 1800 watt. And this button is also for this just switch on and off, and same for this of halogen fixture 2. And this is the control of the radiation of the light. So this regulator is whose rating is 4500 watt. The reason of using this high much, because as you see that 1805 are now using 2000, because sometimes there some fluctuation are coming here, then this will be get damaged. So we are using the maximum regulator to not easily get damaged. And so this is the first halogen part. Then we are going downside. As you have seen that this is polycrystalline panels. So this is the 50 watt, whose rating is 50 watt, and here is maximum power is 40.34 watt, and here VOC voltage, open circuit voltage is 22.25 voltage, and here IC means short circuit current, means the maximum current when voltage is 0 is 2.53 ampere. And as you have seen that in this panel have 36 cells. All these cells are connected in series. As you see, this is the single cell. So all these cells are connected in 36 in series, and our number of cells is 36. So in both panels are same. And the efficiency of this panel is 14.73%. So it's very training system. So firstly, we have to start by the explaining about the specification and what instrument I have used and why I have used, and after that how it is used, we go on the experiments. So firstly, I will define this is the variable frequency drive whose rating is 15 kilowatt and up to going to 0 to 60 hertz frequency. So we are going in this system we are going up to measure 25 hertz frequency, because in the 25 hertz frequency we get the rated output of the wind turbine power. And now this is the part we have controlled the frequency. You can just move from clockwise direction and you increase the frequency step by step. It increases. Now coming to the this setup, this structure. This is the you have seen the below. This is the wind generating unit, artificial wind generating unit. So here is installed a induction motor, basically whose power rating is 10 HP, and there also current is 14 ampere, and there we have installing 7 blades to give the maximum wind to cover and blow the maximum wind to the turbine. And this is the turbine is controlling by the PLC. Now this is the turbine whose rating is 400 watt, and here it is output is going to the our control unit, and it is installed here PLC, and whose we have permanent magnet internal generator. So basically, and here is we have also whose rating is 400 watt.
400 watt voltage.
With power rating.
Power and voltage.
Where voltage rating is 12 volt. 12 volt and slash 24 volt. It depends on the what battery I have used reference voltage. So it is, and here rotor is diameter of this blade is 0.6 meter. So the number of blades is 3, and this is the tachometer. Basically, it measures the how much RPM it will rotate. So now coming to our control unit, to measure the how much wind is blowing, you can just measure by the help of anemometer, and I am doing the connection by you can see the how much wind blowing, you can see the anemometer. Now this is the In the B section, how much voltage and current coming by the battery, like taking charging, to how much current will take, yeah, how much current will be